Hello, I'm Naomi. Today, I'm gonna make the most popular and useful kind of dashi stock using kombu and katsuo, bonito shapes. I'm going to show you the effective way of how to warm up each form of dashi with scientific proof and an easy side dish by using leftover, so please watch this video till the end. Now let's get started. Dashi is a family of stocks used in Japanese cuisine, and it forms the base for soup and many simmering liquids to accentuate the savory flavor, umami. Today, I'm gonna make the most common one, Awase dashi, combining kombu and katsuobushi, thin bonito shapes. Cut kombu into short lengths to fit the pan you are going to use, and wipe the kombu with a wet cloth to clean it. These white spots are umami, savory, so don't remove or rub too strong. The next is katsuobushi. You can directly release the fistful of bonito flakes into a pot, but this is another convenient item to shortcut the method of making dashi, dashi pack. Heat it up around 60 degrees Celsius or 140 degrees Fahrenheit, because it's the best temperature to bring out kombu's flavor. Keep warm to release umami for 10 to 30 minutes. Next, turn on the heat again and warm it up at 85 degrees Celsius or 185 degrees Fahrenheit. Be careful not to bring to a boil when you make dashi. Add bonito packets or shapes. Turn off the heat and wait until the bonitos settle down. Drain the dashi stock slightly and gently. If you squeeze it, the stock gets cloudy. transfer to a pot and keep it in a refrigerator or freeze it in an ice cube tray. How did you like it? Normally, it takes a long prep time to make dashi, but these methods work effectively and you can get very delicious dashi stock in a short time. This combination dashi is good to use for miso soup, udon noodles, takoyaki too. Thank you guys for watching and see you next time. Bye!